Hello everyone. Today we will learn chapter 17 Nandita in Mumbai from the subject Environmental Studies. It is a story about a girl who comes in Mumbai and she found so many differences from her place to the city places. Let us start. I came to Mumbai a month ago. Since we came, mother has been admitted in hospital. We had to come to Mumbai for her treatment. वो अपनी मम्मी की दवाई इलाज के लिए अपने गांव से मुंबई आई है 1 महीने पहले और तब से उसकी मम्मी हॉस्पिटल में एडमिटेड है. The big city, Mumbai. I have slowly got used to the city. I still remember the day when mother and I got off the train at the Mumbai station. It was so crowded. I quickly caught hold of mother's hand. I was thinking about how Mama would find us in the crowd. Just then I heard someone calling loudly from behind, Nandita, Nandita. I turned back and there was Mama. सोच रही थी कि इतनी बड़ी भीड़ में मामा हमें ढूंढेंगे कैसे. तभी पीछे से आवाज़ आई नंदिता और मैंने पीछे देखा तो वहाँ पे मामा खड़े थे. We left the station and were soon on our way to Mama's house, but again it was so crowded everywhere. There were many huts lined all along the narrow street. We went through the street to reach Mama's house. Mama, Mommy, their 2 daughters and a son all lived in one room. Now I too live here with them. It is here that we sit, sleep, cook and wash all in one room. मुंबई में जब वो एंटर हुए तो जो गली थी, जो लेन थी, वो बहुत छोटी थी, थोड़ा गंदा भी था और वहाँ से वो पास होते हुए मामा के घर में गए जहाँ पे कई सारे लोग ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे थे और एक ही कमरा था जिनमें वो खाना पीना सोना सब वहीं पे करते थे. My house in the village also has only one room, but we have separate place for cooking and for bathing. We also have a courtyard outside. गांव में घर है हमारा, लेकिन हमारा भी एक ही कमरा है बड़ा, लेकिन उसमें separate places दिए हैं. Water, water. Mami, Seema and I get up at 4 o'clock every morning and go to the public tap to fill water. हमारे घरों में क्या होता है, हर एक टैप में पानी आता है तो हम घर पे ही एक्वागार्ड या वाटर प्यूरीफायर या आरओ में से पानी फिल करते हैं. बट इन मुंबई, इन स्लम एरिया, जो झोपड़पट्टी वाला एरिया होता है, वहाँ पे ये चीज़ अवेलेबल नहीं होती है. दे हैव टू गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग टू गेट द वाटर फ्रॉम द पब्लिक टैप. मतलब एक सरकारी नल दिया जाता है, वहाँ पे पानी का टैप रखा जाता है जिसमें हर एक को लाइन लगा के खड़ा रहना पड़ता है और पानी भी 2 या 3 घंटे मैक्सिमम आता है, उससे ज़्यादा आता नहीं है. तो उसी टाइम में उनको पानी नहाने का, खाना बनाने के लिए, पीने के लिए, कपड़े धोने, बर्तन करने के लिए, सभी के लिए पानी उनको भरना पड़ता है. Oh no, you won't believe how many fights there are for water. If we are just a little late, then we are not able to fill water for the day. There is no tap in our house in the village too. हमारे गांव में भी पानी का नल नहीं है. The pond in the village has water, but तालाब में पानी है. It takes 20 minutes to walk to it. वहाँ पे जाने के लिए 20 मिनट लगती है. In summer, sometimes the water in the pond dries up. Then we have to walk for almost 1 hour to the river to get water. But in the village, there was no fight for water. लेकिन विलेज में पानी के लिए झगड़े होते नहीं थे. In the street where Mama lives, there is a toilet at one end. एक कोने में, एक जगह के कोने में वहाँ पे टॉयलेट भी था. Everyone in the street used the toilet. It is always very dirty and smells so bad. At first, it used to make me want to vomit. इतना गंदा बदबू आ रहा था कि मेरे को वॉमिट होना ऑलमोस्ट हो ही चुका था. At times, there is no water. We have to take water with us. Now I am getting used to all this. In the village, people go to the open places or field for toilet. The men and women go to different places. गांव में क्या होता था, खुले में जाते थे, खेतों में या जंगल में, और आदमी और औरतें अलग अलग जगह पे जाते थे. लेकिन मुंबई में हर कोई एक ही जगह पे जाता है और पानी साथ में लेके जाना पड़ता है क्योंकि अंदर टैप होता नहीं है तो बहुत बदबू आती है वहाँ पे. Why did Nandita have to bring her mother from the village to Mumbai? Nandita has to bring her mother from village to Mumbai for her mother's treatment. Nandita used to feel like vomiting when at first she had to use the toilet where Mama lived. Why? Nandita used to feel like vomit when she used it for the first time at where Mama lived because it was very dirty and it smelled very bad. In what ways did Nandita find her mama's house to be different from her house in the village? In mama's house, the streets are very dirty and there is only one room for all the activities. While in the village, Nandita has a one room but it has a separate parts for each activities. What difference did Nandita find between getting water from public tap and in the village? Nandita find that in water getting from the public tap is very difficult. They have to be there on the time, otherwise they will not get the water for the day. Was there electricity at the place where Nandita's mama lived? Yes, there was a electricity where Nandita's mama lived because the children were watching television. आप पिक्चर्स में देखेंगे तो पिक्चर में आपको दिखाई देगा. Learning new things. Every day I go to the hospital by bus to see my mother. At first I was too scared to get into such crowded buses. I was not at all used to it. I was afraid. But now it is not like that. I know how to stand in line, how much to pay for the ticket, where to get down. जब पहली बार कुछ एक्टिविटी करते हैं तो हर एक को डर लगता है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे यूज्ड टू हो जाते हैं फिर उस चीज़ से हमें डर नहीं लगता है. बस में कैसे बैठना है, कैसे चढ़ना है, कैसे पब्लिक को फेस करना है, कितना भाड़ा देना है, कहाँ उतरना है, जब हम 2-3 बार जाते हैं हमें पता चल जाता है, फिर हमें डर लगता नहीं है. Where we stay, there is a tall building nearby. My mommy works in 7 houses there. She washes utensils and cleans the houses. One day I went there with her. When I first saw the building, I thought that it was one big house, but I found that there were many houses, one on the top of another. I was wondering how I could climb so many stairs, but there was a lift to take people up and down. It was like a big iron cage with fan, light, and even a bell. So many of us got into the lift. Somebody pressed a button and lift went up quickly. To tell you the truth, I was very scared in the beginning. जब पहली बार हम जाते हैं लिफ्ट में हमें पता नहीं होता कि उसमें क्या होता है और क्या नहीं होता है, ये कैसे वर्क करेगा. तो पहली बार जब हमें कोई कमरे में या बॉक्स में बंद कर देता है तो हमको डर लगता है. द सेम वे उसको भी डर लगा था, नंदिता को भी डर लगा था, लेकिन शी मैनेज्ड. उसको लगा कि इतनी सारी स्टेयर्स चढ़ के सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ के ऊपर कैसे जाएंगे. पहले तो लगा कि ये पूरा एक ही घर है, लेकिन उसको बाद में पता चला कि एक घर के ऊपर दूसरा घर, दूसरे घर के ऊपर तीसरा घर है. तो दिस वे शी found new things and she is getting used to with the new things. Let us talk. Do you know anyone who was admitted to a hospital? Yes, we know that some of our family member or relative was admitted in hospital. For how many days was he or she in hospital? In my relation, 2 or 3 days my cousin has spent in hospital. Did you visit the person in the hospital? Yes, I visited the person in the hospital. Who was looking after the patient in the hospital? The doctor, nurse, and my auntie was there to take care of the patient. Have you ever seen a tall building? Where? Yes, I have seen many tall buildings near my residence. How many floors did the building have? There are 7 floors in my building. How many floors did you climb? I have climbed 3 floors. Climbed मतलब चढ़ के जाना. तो I have climbed till 3rd floor. It is really hard to reach on the 7th or 10th floor by stairs. Another house. Mommy took me first to Bablu's house. His house was on the 12th floor. What a big house. So many rooms. One to sit in, one to eat in, one to sleep in, and one to cook in. सोने का, बैठने का, खाने का और खाना बनाने का हर एक का अलग अलग कमरा है. That toilet was also in the house. It took Mommy a lot of time to clean Bablu's house, but she could work easily. There was a tap in the kitchen and water flowed from it. Bablu put a bucket under the tap to fill the water for his bath. Then he sat down to watch TV. So much water was wasted. I did not like it. I went and closed the tap. पानी बबलू ने भरने के लिए रखा था बाथरूम में, लेकिन वो फिर जाके टीवी देखने बैठ गया तो काफ़ी पानी वेस्ट हो रहा था. एंड नंदिता डिड नॉट लाइक इट. तो वो वहाँ से खड़ी हो गई और वहाँ पे जाके उसने बाथरूम का टैप बंद कर दिया. Bablu's house had big glass windows. Mommy told me to look down from the window. I could see Mama's street and the house, but I could not make out which was his house. From the up there, everything below looked like small toys. I was quite afraid to look down from such a height. पहली बार जब भी देखते हैं ऊपर से, बहुत ऊपर से देखते हैं तो नीचे वाली सारी चीज़ें छोटी छोटी दिखाई देती है और हमें गिरने का भी डर लगता है. मामी ने बताया कि देखो नीचे हमारा घर दिख रहा है. तो मुझे वो गली दिखाई दी, वो एरिया दिखाई दिया, लेकिन कौन सा घर है वो पता चला नहीं. When Nandita first came to Mumbai, what were the things that she was afraid to? She was afraid of crowd. She was afraid of traveling in bus. Then she was afraid to be in lift, and then she was afraid from the height. What were the difference between the houses where Mama lived and the house in the big rise building? House in the area where Mama lived and house in a high rise building. तो Mama lived में लिख सकते हैं no tap और यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं आप many taps. फिर लिखते हैं lack of water. No मतलब plenty of water is available in the high rise buildings. It has only one room. The many room, many activities in one room. Every activity has a separate room. तो ये differences आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. The most important is that there is a toilet. There is no toilet in Mama's house or a common toilet in Mama's house, where in Bablu's house or high-rise building they have to separate their own toilet. ये क्यों डिफरेंस है? बिकॉज मामा जो रहते हैं वो स्लम एरिया है जहाँ पे गरीब लोग रहते हैं और दे कैन नॉट अफोर्ड, वो उतना अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं कि ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च नहीं कर सकते हैं, इसीलिए उनको कॉमन टॉयलेट यूज़ करना पड़ता है. पानी के लिए गवर्नमेंट टैप के पास जाना पड़ता है. जबकि हाई राइज बिल्डिंग की कॉस्ट ही इतनी ज़्यादा होती है, मेंटेनेंस ही उतना होता है और लोग उतने पैसे देते हैं. That is why the government or the society is providing them all the facilities. Draw a circle around the kind of houses you are lived in. It is like the house of Nandita, Mama, Bablu or any other kind. So my house is like Bablu's house. Where does the water come from in your house? It comes from the tap or from the society tank. Is there an electricity connection in your house? Yes. How many hours in a day do you get electricity? We get it 24 hours. What is the nearest hospital? Which is the nearest hospital in the area where you live? आप अपने घर के पास की जो फेमस हॉस्पिटल है ये आपको पता है तो वह नाम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. How far are this from your house? घर से कितने दूर है वो लिखना है. बस स्टॉप, स्कूल, मार्केट, पोस्ट ऑफिस एंड हॉस्पिटल. कितने मिनट लगते हैं चलने में और कितना डिस्टेंस है ये आप अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछ के लिख सकते हैं. ड्रॉ पिक्चर्स इन योर नोटबुक ऑफ द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ हाउसेस इन योर एरिया. ये आपको एक्टिविटी करनी है. यू नीड टू डू द एक्टिविटी बाय मेकिंग द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ हाउसेस. अ न्यू वरी. Mama had said that he would take me around to see Mumbai. The children around here talk a lot about chapati. They say that big film stars also come there. Maybe when I go there, I might see a film star. ये हर एक को ड्रीम होता है कि whenever they visit Mumbai, they would have got a chance to see a film star. These days, Mama is so worried. I cannot ask him to take me to Chapati. Last week, some people had come with a notice that everyone should move out of this place. They say a big hotel will be built there. Mama was saying that this is the third time in the last 10 years that he got such notices. People who live here have been given another place to make their houses, but it is very far away another corner of the city. There is no drinking water, no electricity. I do not even know if any bus goes there. How will Mama reach his work place from so far? How much money will he have to pay? He have to spend, and how much time also? And mommy, will she get some other work there? If mama moved to new place, how will I be able to visit my mother? Mother is not even completely well as yet. मम्मी अभी पूरी तरह से ठीक हुई नहीं है. ये 10 साल में थर्ड टाइम है जब मामा को ये नोटिस मिला है कि ये एरिया, ये स्लम खाली करना है और गवर्नमेंट ने जो आपको जगह दी है वहाँ पे आपको मूव करना है. गवर्नमेंट ने जगह तो दे दी है, लेकिन जो जगह दी है वो सिटी के एंड में दी है, अंत में दिया है. जो काम होता है वो इन सिटी में रहता है, कि मतलब सिटी के अंदर रहता है. तो यहाँ पे उनको तकलीफ़ है, लेकिन पानी, लाइट्स और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का टाइम बचता है. लेकिन जहाँ पे वो लोग मूव होने का सोच रहे हैं कि अगर गवर्नमेंट भेज रही है और जाना पड़ेगा, तो वहाँ पे न लाइट है, न पानी है, और आने जाने का टाइम भी बहुत लग जाएगा. तो नंदिता सोच रही है कि अभी उसको मम्मी को मिलना होगा, तो वो कैसे मिलेगी अगर मामा ने शिफ्ट कर लिया तो. सो दिस इज़ द लिटिल गर्ल हु इज़ वरीड टू सी हिज मामा वरीड. राइट इन योर नोटबुक, वाई डज मामा हैव टू चेंज हिज हाउस. मामा को क्यों चेंज करना है? बिकॉज ही गॉट अ नोटिस फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट फॉर द थर्ड टाइम that they have to shift to the place that has been provided to them. Have you ever moved from your house? If yes, why did you have to move? Yes, we have moved from our house because my father's office is far from the place where we were living. Do people in your family have to go far from their work? Do people in your family have to go far from their place? Where do they go? How far do they have to go? क्या आपके फैमिली में से किसी को ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है काम के लिए बहुत दूर? अगर जाना पड़ता है तो कहाँ जाना पड़ता है और कितना दूर होता है? दैट यू नीड टू राइट इन योर नोटबुक. डिस्कस. Is it right that Mama and other have to move because a hotel is going to be built there? No, this is not good. Who will benefit from this? Only the hotel owner will get the benefit from this. Who will face difficulties? All the person who are moving from the place to another place will face difficulties. Do you know of any people who have faced problems similar to Nandita's mama? Talk about it in class. If anyone knows, please share it and let us know. Draw a picture of a house of your choice and color it. So this was the last part activity that you will be doing as a drawing. Or I hope you have understood the lesson very nicely and you have understood the problems that Nandita is facing during her time in Mumbai. So these are the some problems that the person are facing in big cities, and few problems are also there which they face in village area. So this was the lesson, Nandita's visit in Mumbai. Nandita in Mumbai. I hope you have understood the chapter very nicely. Kindly fill all the answers in your notebook and refer your workbook as well. Stay home, be safe, keep learning.